Hello guys, so we're gonna test the Nazca. This is it. So I need to load it. So we're gonna drive it. This is actually sick, right guys?
Check it out! I'm driving a blue baby ticket. It's made out of marshmallow.
Like and subscribe.
Wow!
And subscribe guys if you love Roblox.
We're here at the supermarket.
It's gonna ban us. We're gonna run.
Come on, let's go check it out.
If you want to ride this, first you need to go to my account and search up US Roblox 2198.
Ooh, look. Yummy.
Mom, sa station yung mami mo.
Red. And
So guys,
this bun has sesame seeds on it.
we gonna video another one about
And this.
about the skateboard. I'm good at there, but a little bit, but I'm really good,
Pineapple slices?
guys.
Alphabet soup? Whoa! It's soup, but with the letters of the alphabet in it. Yeah, more
Gonna go
pans,
Isa!
more.
for the
Isa! Wag na dudong.
next invention. Gonna go to the next invention. We're gonna
More
respond.
sauce on it. We'll probably need it though.
Gonna show you about the Nerf gun
You don't want to forget
tomorrow.
fresh vegetables. Yeah, look.
No, I'm gonna show you the gun. Just wait, guys. Guys, another vehicle.
We can put it on pizza. Yeah, that's what we can put that tomato
Just
sauce
wait,
on.
guys. I'm gonna just turn the isolation on.
Okay.
So we gonna next thing is secret base. It's a lab.
These toppings,
I call it lab,
onions,
and I'm gonna show you guys.
There we go. Put all the toppings on the pizza. Pizza's gonna be so tasty.
If you want to add no, go to my account if you want to see where is the portal. There, guys. This is the TV. Guys, I call it lab. Laboratory crystal. And I just created with one crystal here and 7 crystals in the camera. I call it this thing. Bye bye guys. See you at the next video.